So we did this in 2 weekends. It was 3 stretches. So like this first one, not this one, but this one, that was 420 something feet, and it's 6 strands, and it goes back in here and dips. Right, just past them hedge trees. And then there's a 280 something 5 feet strip there, and it's 6 strands. And then we go all the way across. You can kind of see the post out there. You should see the wire. That stretch there is 480 something. So you're talking 1,100 feet times 6. 6,600 feet. Just over a mile there. There's the girls. Calves must be over the hill. Well, that was one stretch of fence. Well, 3 actually. Anywho, carry on. Next stretch we did for a buddy is how you got rained on, because rain came in early. It came out to about 1,990 feet. I don't know if I'll be able to drive all the way back in here or not. All the way around, gate, through the woods there, comes back straight to the back. Did it in 1, 2, 4, 7 strips, 7 stands. Like 20,000 feet of barb, something like that.